Hey guys, if you want to learn a way to buy Dogecoin, then you have to watch this video. Dogecoin is probably here to stay by now. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to buy Dogecoin with the lowest fees on Binance. One last thing before we start this video, thank you to everyone who has been supporting this channel. We have gone from 0 subs and now we have over 300 subs. I would like to give away $50 worth of Dogecoin in this video. All you have to do to win is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments how many times does a picture of Dogecoin appear in this video. And now let's start today's video. The crypto exchange that we will be using in this video will be Binance. And first up, we need an account. So if you don't have one, make sure to register one. Just go to Binance.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Feel free to use my referral ID and you will get 10% off your trading fees. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to buy Dogecoin. Method number one will be a very simple process, but the problem is that it has fees. Method number two has no fees but has about 1 or 2 more steps compared to method number one. Now let's go through method number one, which is buying directly from Binance using a debit card or credit card. Now we are on the Binance website. On the top bar here, you can see the words buy crypto, and you can change this to your currency of your choice. And now you can click on credit/debit card. I personally don't use this method because it charges fees. Based on what I've heard, it charges about 3 to 4%. Now this method is quite straightforward. You can choose your preferred currency, USD perhaps. You can enter the amount that you want. Now you choose Dogecoin and just buy. I personally don't use this method. I normally use method number two, but I just wanted to show you another way of buying it if method number two doesn't work. Now let's talk about method number two, which is P2P trading on Binance. Binance does not charge any fees when you buy through P2P. It is quite simple and I'm going to teach you how to use it. Now head over to the Binance website. On the top tab again, press buy crypto, click on P2P trading. Make sure you are on the P2P tab and select buy. We will be selecting USDt. USDt is a stable coin. Its value follows the value of the US dollar. We will be using it to convert to Dogecoin later. The next step is to enter the currency you want to buy in. Next, you can see amount here. You can enter the amount that you want to buy. As you can see from a lot of sellers here, they have a minimum that you have to purchase. Usually that minimum is quite large if you are planning just to buy a bit. After you have entered the amount, a new list of sellers has appeared, and now you can choose which seller you want to buy it from. The first thing that we have to consider would be the price. We want to buy at the cheapest price possible. If the cheapest price is a newer seller, I wouldn't really recommend it. This is quite important for people who are new to a platform. You want this process to be as smooth as possible. You don't want any problems. Just choose a seller which has a high number of orders and a high number of completion rates. Now I'm going to choose Big Elephant because he has a high number of orders and a high number of completion rate. The reason there is a timer here is because the price of cryptocurrency constantly changes. You want to buy it as fast as possible. If the timer expires, you just have to refresh the page and purchase again. You have to make the payment 15 minutes after you have made the order. If not, the order will be cancelled. You want to choose someone who says that will release in maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Another thing that you have to check would be the seller payment method. I use bank transfer. Enter the amount that you want to pay. I'm going to pay 100. I will receive 23.14. So let's buy now. We are brought to this page. Double check your amount, the price, quantity. If there's any problem, the seller will provide his contact, so you can contact him and they will give you the payment method information, how you want to transfer it to them. So now the time is 12:15 AM. Let's see how long does this method take. I have to make this payment within 15 minutes for the cryptos to release. You have to read the tips down here. There are rules that you have to follow when you transfer the money. If I fail to transfer within 15 minutes, then the order will be cancelled. So let's do this fast. Now that I'm done transferring the money, just click on transfer next. Just confirm the payment has been made to the correct account, and if you're done that, just click confirm. And now that the payment is made, you just have to wait for the seller to release the crypto to you. And a lot of times it is normally below 15 minutes. And now you can see that the order is completed. The assets is now in my P2P account. Now the time is 12:19. It has only been like less than 10 minutes since I started. Now you can click on check my account. Now that you have clicked on check my account, it brought us to this page which is the P2P wallet. On Binance, there are several wallets, but today we are only going to talk about the P2P wallet and the Fiat and Spot wallet. So now on this page, click Show, and you can see the amount of cryptocurrencies that you have. You can see I have 23.14 here. What I want to do next is to click Transfer. I want to transfer this amount from the P2P wallet to the Spot wallet, because only in the Spot wallet can we use it to convert to Dogecoin. And now we click the amount, make sure it's from P2P to Spot wallet, the coin USDt that we've just bought. You can see the available amount, convert everything, so I'm going to write the entire amount. And now you click Confirm Transfer. Transferring between wallets on Binance is free, there are no fees on this. And now you can click Back to Balance. On the left hand side here, you can see there is a Fiat and Spot. You can click on it. If you cannot find it, just go to the top bar here, Wallet, Fiat and Spot. And now you can see the amount of USDT that you have. You are done with the process of buying USDT. It's time to convert it to Dogecoin. So how I'm going to do it is to look at the top bar here, and there is a trade. So a lot of things pop down. In the past I used Convert, but recently someone told me that it's more expensive to use this feature. It will be cheaper to use Classic. Now just click on Classic, and now we are on this page. I know there are a lot of numbers, but don't worry. Now look here, there is a search here. Just type in Doge, select Doge/USDT. And now once you have clicked on Doge/USDT, scroll down, make sure you are on the Spot page. There is limit and market. Limit order basically means that you want a price that is not the current price. Maybe the price is at 0.61 now, and you want to buy it at a cheaper price at maybe 0.55. And once the price actually reaches the price that you want, it will create an order for you. But in this example, I want to buy directly. So what do? I click on market. Now I just enter the amount that I want to buy, and I click on buy Doge. And you can see now that the order is completed. So just go back to your wallet. On the top bar here, click wallet, Fiat and Spot. And now we have completed the process. Now we have Dogecoin. And that's all. It's quite a simple process, but I took some time to explain it to you. That's why it might make this process seem a little long, but once you get used to it, it's a really quick process. And to summarize the process, I normally use P2P Trading to buy USDT first, making sure that the USDT is placed in my Fiat and Spot wallet to get it ready for conversion. And the third thing would be to convert the USDT to Dogecoin, which I normally use the convert or trade. That's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so YouTube can show this video to even more people. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Stay happy, I'll see you in my next video.